Hi, and welcome to our 30th Do-It-Yourself podcast video on Excel. My name is Deborah Jean, and my friends, they refer to me as DJ, and I am from the Accounting Business Solutions by JCS. Our goal is to provide you with the tools to assist your organization to reach the next level of success. We specialize in Sage 50, Sage 100, QuickBooks accounting and software, and so much more. So let's begin. Today, we're going to be reviewing shapes. Okay, so let's take a look. I have devised an Excel spreadsheet so that we can take a look at this together. Okay, I'm going to read a little bit from the Excel handbook. Okay. Online and local imported from graphic files, you can insert preset graphic shapes in your chart or worksheet by selecting their thumbnails on the Shapes drop-down gallery in the Insert tab of the ribbon. So let's take a look at that first and foremost, the Insert tab of the ribbon. Next to Home, you're going to see the word Insert in the top left-hand corner. Then what you want to do is you want to click on Illustrations, okay? So let's take a look here and see if we can find Illustrations together. Okay, I'm not seeing it. Oh, here it is, right here. Did you experience the same thing that I just did? Okay, right here is the illustration area. Now, let's take a look at shapes, okay? We might have touched on this a little bit earlier in our podcast, but a lot of people don't know about it, so I just wanted to review it quickly again. I think the last time we used an arrow, we're going to use something different this time. We're going to click on the shape that you would want. So let's say over here in this area, we want to put a shape. Go back to Illustrations, click on Shapes, and we're going to put a smiley face. I don't know why. We're just going to do that, okay? So we're going to go ahead and click on that and then click on the cell where we want to put it, and there you go. Okay, we need to adjust that, obviously, okay? So let's take this down a bit and up a bit and take this whole thing. Let's put it above it. How's that? Okay, so there's your smiley face. You kind of click anywhere else, and you can go ahead and leave it right there. Say you want to move it, and you want to move it right down to this area. Well, there you go. Let's move it over that way just a tad. Okay, perfect. Okay, so we wanted to go over this again because, like I said, it's not something that's normally used. Okay, let's take a look at other things. Oh, we can do arrows. How nice. Rectangles. Basic shapes, block arrows, equation shapes, a flow chart, stars and banners. Let's see what that star looks like. Let's go ahead and click there, and let's put a star here. Oh boy, it's big. Okay, so let's kind of drag it over, make it smaller. That's kind of nice if you're making, let's say, maybe your own Christmas cards or something for the holidays. I wanted it big, but that area right there, not conducive. So there you go. There's your star. Okay, so that's how we do shapes. Okay, and when you save your document, it's going to be saved just like that. Okay, Control S because I do want to save that. Okay, so let's go out of this and back to where we were. Thank you for taking the time to review Excel with us. There are many features that Excel has to offer to reach the next level of success and produce extremely professional documents. We have a list where you can review them as many times as you wish. Our clients are number one, and your success is our goal. We are sure that these videos and future ones will add to your knowledge of this incredible program. Thank you so much for taking the time to invest in your future and learn just a little bit more about the Excel program. We will provide you with complimentary business review for your next accounting software solution. We will determine your needs and wants for now and in the future to help your growth and customize a package that perfectly fits your needs and allow you the future growth that you deserve. With Excel and several other programs, excellent training, and the daily support that you may need with solutions for your everyday business. They will help your business be more streamlined and cost efficient, which is so important. We'd like to take this time to thank you for joining our podcast from the team at Accounting Business Solutions by JCS. This is DJ signing off from the Basic Introduction to the Excel program. Have a wonderful day and check out the next podcast at your convenience. Bye now.